Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue with your BMW X1 if your Bluetooth is not working. So first thing that you can try to do is just unpair your car from your phone and unpair your phone from the car. How to do it is that I'm going to show you right now on my phone here. You want to go to settings to the top right on Android, then you're going to go to connections, then you're going to go to Bluetooth, and right here you're going to BMW. So this is the first thing. The second thing that you can possibly try, and maybe it's going to work, you want to reset the iDrive if this is not going to work. So you unpair it from your phone, you unpair your phone from the car, but it's still not working. So what you want to do, you want to reset the iDrive. Primarily for most of BMW, you want to locate the volume button and press and hold it to 60 to 80 seconds. When it's going to be turned on, just press and hold it. So BMW X1 reset iDrive. And here you're gonna have also the volume button to reset it. So this is how we're gonna do it. And that's it. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.